in standard 10. Air in the boiling water through the water move up in the straw. In straw,
फोटो पण घे
water
फोटो घेतो
glass.
फोटो शूटिंग घेतो तो काय करतो गाडी तयार केली रविवार.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
एक्सप्लेन.
This device make a car balloon diagram or a diagram of a
ओके.
This car converts potential energy into kinetic energy. And can your family car which converts chemical energy into kinetic energy.
The potential energy is stored the kinetic energy of a few
गुड. तुलाच काय
The number of the images are related to the measure of the angle. This can be used the formula n is equals to 360 degree upon 90 degree is equals to minus 1 is equals to 3.
कसं 120 डिग्रीला 2 इमेज, 90 डिग्रीला किती इमेज असतील? 3 इमेजेस. 60 डिग्रीला केलेलं आहे का? 60 डिग्रीचं बनवलेलं आहे का? नाही, 60 डिग्रीचं नाही, 45 डिग्री, 120 डिग्री.
3 इमेजेस दिसतं का पण? हां दिसतं.
असं द्या. हां,
एकदम ओके.
किती इमेजेस आहे? 3 इमेजेस.
6 दिसतंय मग.
नाही, 5. हा ऑब्जेक्ट
5 झाले.
3 इमेज आहे. 5 इमेज आले ना त्यात. 5 इमेज. आणि हा किती? 90 डिग्री ना, हा 45 डिग्री. हॅलो,
यूट्यूब मला किती दिसतं? एकच दिसतं, 2 दिसतं नाही. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वाढलं. जेवढा अँगल छोटा तेवढा इमेज वाढतो. तर अँगल चेंज झाला.
45 डिग्रीला किती इमेज झाल्या?
एकदम भारी. याचं काय आहे?
तेच आहे इमेजेस.
तेच आहे का? समोर पकडलं असं जवळ. त्याचा आवाज बरोबर पडतो का बघू?
त्याचा आवाज आहे, जवळ पकडायला पाहिजे.
असं असं पकडलं पाहिजे, समोर लांबून बोलते.
माईक जवळ पकड.
आज समोर पकडाय समोर.
Good morning, my name is Vidya Chaudhary. I study in 9th class. Good morning, my name is Deepali Kamikar. I study in 9th class. My name is Roshni Chakre. I study in 9th class. We present science project effect of powder on fire candle. Now Deepali gives you information about it. Take 2 glass of water. Take 2 candles, keep in the water. Then to flame the candle. Then to add the powder. It is.
अजून टाका. फक्त वॉटर लेवल त्याच्यामध्ये वाढवून टाका.
Good morning, my name is Manavir. I study in 9th class.
Good morning, my name is Mohini. My name is Manavir. I study in 9th class.
Today I am presenting science practical. The name of practical effect of orange peel on balloon. When we squeeze the orange peel over the balloon, it some of the rubber molecules dissolve in the light. Now, next information highlight. Sorry, Mayuri.
As the balloon effect, as the balloon as the balloon surface down air pressure inside the balloon counts in the so you very well brush clean instant your balloon without touching it.
Very good.
Good morning, my name is Uttara Jadhav. I study in 9th class. My name is Ganesh Kamishna. Electrical current thought from wires connecting wire called is an electrical circuit. This rubber joint to bad conductor electricity. Now next information. This is circuit we have connected the bulb to wire. This is shape.
That is all.
The metal chip is good conductor city.
Good conductor of electricity. नेक्स्ट हे नाही
बॅट
दाखवलं.
बॅटचं दाखव.
रबरचं नाही दाखवलं. रबरात काय असतं?
करंट फ्लो होत नाही.
This rubber to join bat conduct the electricity.
When rubber is joined in circuit, bad conductor.
रबरातून तिकडे पास
पास
नाही पास
हां
नाही होत.
बॅट
Good
कंडक्टर.
morning. My name is Pratima. I study in My name is Yogita Ramchandra Gaikwad. I study in 9th class. My name is Deepika Rajesh Davi. I study in 9th class. Use. This machine is for drinking water and can be used without air pressure. Now next information we will talk.
आपल्याकडे बलून
This
आहे बरं का,
machine
त्याला
works
द्या
with
बलून
the
आहे.
head of air. When we open the top of the bottle, the inside goes through the bottle and push the water and the water will come through the pipe. When we close the top, it will not come pipe.
त्याला पण. चालू बंद करून दाखव. याला म्हटलं पण पाहिजे होतं.
Use of making only less than 3 things are needed. It can also improve by making their conformity.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जर काही संबंध होता.
प्रेशर
Explain it.
एक्सप्लेन कर.
Use. This machine is for the
Incoming call.
The water will begin to have slight pressure between them. Now pass the laser beam into it again. A light will show the existence of light rays. Now more information, my friend Pallavi. The light beam is not seen in clear water, but it can be seen in slightly turbid water. The light carries a tiny particle of salt and get scattered. If these scattered rays enter our eyes, we perceive the light.
कंटिन्यू चालू ठेवायचं आहे का? पॉज करायचं. नाही चालू बघा. हा पण कंटिन्यू चालू ठेवायचं आहे का? नाही मोठे होईल.
पॉज कुठं ठेवायचं?
ते नाही नाही करता आलं का? पाहून
त्याला बॅकग्राऊंड म्युझिक टाकून.
My name is Pratisha Agarwal. I study 9th class. I present science automatic water. We have made any automatic water fountain with the help of plastic bottle and straw. Now give you Nageshri information. Please.
I am Rajasri from Standard 9. This mountain works on the principle of water level and air pressure. The air pushes the water downward to reach in the other straw in the move. Other straw and it goes up.
My name is Gitesh. I am studying 9th class. For me, my name is Vilas Narayan from 9th standard. My model name is Wireless Power. This project is based on this wireless power concept. The project is developed to transfer power within a small range. This project can be used for charging batteries. Tools are physically not possible to connected electrically such as an electronic device that works in place of a wire defective that works in a place. That wireless power. Thank you.
I am in standard 9.
झालं
My model is to find area of square rectangle. Now I show you easy and interesting method to find area of square and rectangle. Now I show you that how to find area of square.
एक नोटबुक पण ठेवा इथे हां नोटबुक पण ठेवा मॅडम पेन अँड नोटबुक
Area of square is 16. Now I
16 जे आहे ना इथे आता rectangle
Good morning, sir. My name is Tisha Khalil. In this paper, how sunlight after slowly to search for targets and turn in the children inside and out. When not in use, the telescope is rendered into the hole.
आणि दुसरं
दिसतं का
दिसतं.
हां मग तेच पाहिजे ना आपल्याला. लय भारी करून दिलं.
I am from standard 8. Good morning, sir. My name is Kavita from standard 8. This is a simple experiment. It shows the effect of inflation. It is made from plastic and rubber.
the body is filled with air when the finger is removed from the hole. The air enters into the water. It pushes the air inside outside. Good morning. My name is Anna from Saturday. The experiment that we are doing is fun. Dancing paper, we have used paper and matchsticks for this.
I am Rita from standard 8. The air around the paper is painted because of the candle. From standard 8. The experiment says is about temperature, the needed is plants, water and food. My name is Chandri Gauri. When there is slow in pressure in the other Has a resound order, said has a resound order, is a cup and flow to the school
मग
which means the while the center the line comes together like that.
व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड
The focal point and beyond the focal point, the next is the light. That was the light are on the
Incoming call from Akash identified by Truecaller. Incoming voice call from Akash on SimSim.
The simple explanation is the short the question gravitational waves. In the and the coastal, the point does not move forward with the earth steady due to the earth gravitational force. Good morning, my name is Manoj Manal. I am from 8th standard. Small experiment show effect of air pressure. We recover only a glass full of water and carbon. My name is Darshan Tony. I am from 8th standard.
व्हेरी गुड
My name is Prakash Sharma. I study in class 8th standard. Good morning. I am Manish Mehta. I study in class 8th. Good morning. In this experiment, we are using potassium chloride, hydrogen peroxide, and magnesium.
This is an experiment showing effect of hydrogen peroxide with potassium permanganate and liquid soap. When these three things are added, then the chemical reaction react and the place and black color occur. When we mark with highlight highlight on the book, the mark cannot be removed, but we can remove them.
तिकडे तुमच्या प्रोजेक्ट जवळ जा नाही तर वर्गात बसा.
आता काय करायचं माहिती आहे का
जनावरी लोकांमध्ये मी आता
No.
सर काय
ग्रीन कलर येते गरम पाणी आणि थंड पाणीमध्ये येलो कलर मिक्स केला तर पहिले आम्ही तिला थंड पाणी खाली ठेवलं गरम
नाही,
पाणी
येलो कलर जो होता तो थंड पाण्यामध्ये होता. हां, ग्रीन हॉट वॉटरमध्ये होता. हां, मग दोन्ही आपण मिक्स केले. हां, पुढे
तेव्हा मिक्स नाही झाले आणि नंतर मग मी उलटं केलं तेव्हा मिक्स झाले.
मिक्स झाले. ठीक.
Good morning, sir. My name is
बस 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 कळलं.
Look at the nature. This water this water look how it changes color. This is purple water is potential for magnet solution and transparent water is solution of sugar and sodium hydroxide. The color change are result of oxidation and reduction process as follows.
Very good.
My name is Darshan Bhattacharya and I am from 7th standard. Good morning, sir. Science project name. Changing
arrows.
These arrows in a left side in a right side.
Good.
My name is I am studying 7th class. clothing paper. This is soap water. This is haircon. This is glass paper. Next, paper is soap water. And let's do some new
मांडलेले होते आपल्याला 30 जानेवारीला कदाचित प्रदर्शन असेल त्यावेळेस आपण आपल्या शाळेचे सेक्रेट मांडून होते बरोबर आहे ना म्हणजे जेव्हा कॉलेज तेव्हा हे काय करतात त्या ठिकाणी पाहते थोडेसे स्टेज सांगितलेले ते करून त्यांचं जे भावी सायंटिस्ट आहेत फ्युचर सायंटिस्ट आणि त्यांना हेल्प करणारे सर्व त्यांचे टीचर्स यांचं पुन्हा एकदा मी त्या ठिकाणी अभिनंदन करतो आणि अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी विज्ञान प्रदर्शनाची इंटर स्कूल लेवलला ही जी काही मांडणी केली ती अतिशय छान केली पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांचे